Thank you. Um, First off, thank you to InventoryLab for inviting us and me to this event. It's very exciting to get a lot of different sellers out here and to learn more about our repricers. So yeah, today I'll be presenting and sharing some tips to use Inform.co. For those of you that may not be familiar with us, we are a repricing platform for both Amazon and Walmart marketplaces. And we've been partners with InventoryLab for quite a while now. So yeah, we work with them to share cost prices. They share cost prices with us, and it allows our sellers to easily manage their items and cost prices in Inform. So yeah, with further ado, today what we're going to be covering is, first I'm going to go over how to maximize profits, and mainly I'll be going over how to use our Get the Buy Box algorithm, along with some of our settings. Two of the new settings that we released and that we're really excited about are the Smart Price Reset and the Smart Max. And so these are designed to help maximize your profit while also preventing price deactivations, because we know that's a big part of some of the difficulties that our sellers are facing right now. So we created a setting just for that and to help prevent those price deactivations. And then I'll be diving into a little bit more of how you can effectively reprice on Amazon by using multiple strategies and using the filters that we offer. And then at the end, I'll be able to answer your questions. And that being said, I'm going to go into a live demo of an Informed account. So I'll get that pulled up and then we can kind of check it out together. Okay. So this is a demo account. So a lot of these numbers are, they don't look great, but your seller account's going to be a lot better looking, with hopefully a lot of sales and gross volume and profit. But what you can see is it gives you a general overview of how your account is performing. And then on the right-hand side here, you can see how your specific listings are performing. So you could see various information such as items that aren't in the buy box, that are in the buy box, items that have a min price or where competition's below your min price. And so you can see all that data here on the dashboard. And then if we click on any of these filters on the right-hand side, the specific items that are in your account, and then you'll be able to filter down, see what it looks like. If you want this that are in the buy box, you'll be able to add these filters and how you can use them to effectively reprice. Like I said, we've added a lot of filters recently to help maximize for our sellers, and we can take a look at the strategy that I really want to go over is the algorithm. This is our best strategy for winning the buy box and increasing your sales. We do offer other strategies as well. If you're a private label seller, we have optimal price and private, the different strategies that we offer. So in the buy box and keep you there. I apologize for the technical difficulties here. I'm going to get a strategy pulled up though, and we'll be able to go over some of the settings, and I'll show you kind of how they work. So while the video is not up though, I'll discuss our Smart Price Set setting, which can be used in our Get the Buy Box algorithm. And so basically, the way that works is the Smart Price will reset your price at the lowest sales period for that marketplace. So a lot of the sellers that come to us from InventoryLab are Amazon US sellers. So for Amazon US, the lowest sales period for that marketplace is going to be 6 a.m. Eastern time or 3 a.m. Pacific. And so what we do is we price you to the max price in order to help with helps to maximize your profit. It helps to increase the price of your competition as well by you raising your price to the max. Obviously if everyone is starting from the max price, and repricing down, it helps to increase your profit on a daily level. And we saw that with the testing. We saw that with the testing of this strategy. And so with that, we are able to reset the pricing war that can sometimes occur on a listing from the highest. So that is how we help to protect your profit margin. There's a few other steps. And so usually some of the issues that our customers have when repricing to the max is that sometimes they're listed. One of the settings that we've worked really hard on to kind of prevent price deactivations is our smart max price setting. Okay. And so that's in our strategy as well. And our integration with InventoryLab makes it really easy to set your min and max prices because we use the cost price that InventoryLab sends to us. All right. So if we have your cost and you tell us a specific profit margin that you want to make, we're able to calculate that profit margin and based on that percentage that you want, and we set the min based on the fees that Amazon is providing to us. All right, so I apologize for the technical difficulties, but it looks like the screen sharing should work momentarily, which will take you inside what our strategy looks like. Perfect. So these are the settings that are within the Get the Buy Box algorithm. And so the setting that I want to highlight is the smart price reset. So with this enabled, maximize the profit that you can get on that listing, while also paying. So at the end of each, you'll have to set up your min and max pricing. And this is where you max out. For example, in the minimum profit field, right? You could set whatever percentage you want. This is how we'll calculate your min profit. So we're taking the cost, we're looking at the marketplace and FBA fees that Amazon is charging. Of course, if you're merch fulfilled, we're not going to pull in the FBA fees, but we're adding that to your cost price, and then we're calculating the min profit on top of that. And then for max price, the smart max prices, how that works is it's going to look at your competition that's on the listing, but it's also going to look at your historical sales data. So it's seeing the highest price that you're able to sell that listing at. It's looking at what the competition is priced at. So whoever the highest listing is on the offer sheet, it's looking at that. And then it's also looking at historical buy box prices. And so we're gathering all this data, and that's helping us to develop the highest max price that you're able to set your price at. And so that should prevent deactivations for high price alerts. But if it doesn't, and if your item gets deactivated, we'll receive a notification for that, and we'll lower your max price that we calculated, and we'll send price changes to activate that listing again. So, we've heard a lot of feedback from customers that, and so we wanted to come up with a setting to counteract that. And so we really think smart max prices is that setting. And we think it's going to kind of revolutionize the reprice. That's always the biggest issue that customers come to us with. So with this setting and the smart price reset setting, we're helping to maximize your profit while preventing price deactivations. Those are the two main settings that I wanted to discuss today. And then, of course, you can and save these strategies, and they'll show on your listings. And then on the listings page is where you'll be able to manage these items and assign different strategies. So that's basically the main that I wanted to cover today, and explain how to measure profit and your profit margin price activations. Like I said, the Get the Buy Box algorithm is our best strategy, and we think the best strategy out of any repricer for winning the buy box. And with these settings to help you to maximize the profit they're getting on each listing, and also preventing deactivations. We think it's the best strategy that there is to offer. So we do offer 14-day free trial. So we want everyone to at least sign up and try out Informed. I think you'll see the difference it makes right away in repricing.